Hello students, this is your chapter number 6, Mauryan Age, Chandragupta and Emperor Ashoka. So open your textbook on page number 26. As it was Sunday, all the children of the society gathered in the ground to play cricket. Bhavya and Jalpa formed teams. Coin was tossed to decide bowling and batting. सो रविवार की छुट्टी थी, इट वॉज संडे. सो ऑल द चिल्ड्रन दे गैदर्ड, सब इकट्ठे हुए क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए. एंड टू चिल्ड्रन भव्या एंड जल्प दे फॉर्म टीम्स, क्रिकेट के लिए टीम बनाया. कॉइन वॉज टॉस टू डिसाइड बॉलिंग एंड बैटिंग, कौन बॉलिंग करेगा कौन बैटिंग करेगा उसके लिए सिक्का उछाला उन्होंने. कॉइन वॉज टॉस्ड. जल्प सेड heads. The coin fell on the ground. It was head. So Jalpa, he decided that his side is heads. And when the coin fell on the ground, it was head. So Jalpa asked for batting. So the team of Jalpa, they decided to bat. Hetans asked, where do we find lion figure on the coin? Bhavya explained to him, the lion figure on the coin is head. This lion figure has been engraved on the huge pillar of Sarnath. This pillar was built by Emperor Ashoka of Maurya dynasty, and India has recognized it as a national symbol. So when the coin was tossed, it was head. So Jalpa had asked for batting. At that time, a boy named Hetans asked him. He saw the figure on the coin, the head, and that figure was of a lion. So Hetans asked that where do we find this lion figure? At that time, Bhavya explained him that this lion figure on the coin has been taken from the pillar of Sarnath. Sarnath के स्तंभ में से लिया गया है. This pillar of Sarnath was built by Emperor Ashoka of Maurya dynasty, and this figure is accepted as our national symbol. And this lion figure, it is our national symbol. Mauryan dynasty founder and ruler. Chandragupta Maurya, founder of Mauryan dynasty 321 BC to 297 BC. Chandragupta played the game of kings in his childhood. His skill was noticed by Acharya Vishnugupta, and he was trained by him in Shastra and Shastra. So from his childhood, बचपन से ही चंद्रगुप्ता प्लेड द गेम्स ऑफ किंग. राजा बनकर वो खेलता था, राजा बन के राजा का खेल खेलता था. His skills, उनके पास जो कला थी, was noticed by Acharya Vishnugupta when he was playing the games of king. And so this Acharya Gupta, he trained Chandragupta in Shastra and Shastra. शस्त्र एंड शास्त्र, रीति रिवाज के नॉम सब सिखाए. चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य with the help of and guidance of Chanakya defeated last emperor of Nanda dynasty, Dhanananda, in 321 BC and took the throne of Magadh and founded Maurya once. So Chandragupta Maurya got the help and guidance of Chanakya, and with the help of this Chanakya skill, he defeated the last emperor of Nanda dynasty, Dhanananda, in 321 BC, and he took the throne of Magadh and founded the Maurya once. Chandragupta got full benefit of Chanakya's skill in politics and administration. From Arthashastra written by Chanakya, we get information about political, economical, and social life of people of that time. So Chanakya was clever. He was clever in politics, that is राजनीति, and administration, राज्य के कामकाज में. And due to this, चंद्रगुप्ता was benefited. उनको सहायता मिली, सपोर्ट मिला. Chanakya wrote a book named Arthashastra, from which we get information about political, એટલે રાજનીતિ, economical, આર્થિક and social life of the people, સામાજિક, at that time. Chanakya's diplomatic guidance played a very important role in Chandragupta's achievement. Then, in court of Chandragupta, चाणक्य's डिप्लोमेटिक गाइडेंस, वो गाइड करते थे. डिप्लोमेटिक यानी कूटनीति से उसको दिशा बताते थे, गाइडेंस देते थे. ड्यू टू विच ही वॉज सक्सेसफुल इन चंद्रगुप्ता's अचीवमेंट, एंड ड्यू टू दिस Chandragupta was successful. Chandragupta conquered 4 territories: Kabul, Kandhar, Herat, and Baluchistan after defeating Greek king Selyus-Nicator. Then Chandragupta, he fought battle with Chanakya's guidance. He conquered, उसने जीत लिया. Conquered the territories, उसने जीत लिया काबुल, खंडर, हेरत and Baluchistan. Being impressed by Chandragupta's bravery, Seleucus married his daughter Helena with Chandragupta and sent his ambassador Megasthenes to his court. So after he conquered these 4 territories, Seleucus was impressed by Chandragupta's bravery. वो प्रभावित हो गया बहादुरी से, चंद्रगुप्ता की बहादुरी से सेलेकस प्रभावित हो गया. एंड ही मैरिड हिज डॉटर हेलिना, उसकी लड़की की शादी कर दी. एंड ही सेंट हिज एम्बेसडर, एम्बेसडर यानी दूत, उसका दूत उसने भेजा. सेंड हिज एम्बेसडर मेगास्थेनिस टू हिज कोर्ट. ड्यूरिंग हिज स्टे इन पाटलिपुत्र, मेगास्थेनिस रोट अ बुक इंडिका, which provides important and basic information about the capital and administration of Magadha Empire. Then this Megasthenes, he stayed in Chandragupta's court, and while staying there, he wrote a book named Indica, in which he gave the basic information about the capital and the administration of Magadha Empire. कैसे कामकाज करता थे, हाउ वॉज द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन रन, ऑल दिस इंफॉर्मेशन वॉज रिटन इन दिस बुक इंडिका. एक्सटेंशन ऑफ स्टेट. Chandragupta tried to establish a sovereign power over whole of India by spreading his authority with the valor and diplomacy of Chanakya in other regions of India. So Chandragupta, he established his own rule, पावर, प्रभुत्व, अपना राज उसने एस्टैब्लिश किया ओवर होल ऑफ इंडिया. सॉवरेनिटी, प्रभुत्व, अपना राज उसने जमाया. एंड ही स्प्रेड हिज ऑथोरिटी विथ हिज ब्रेवरी एंड डिप्लोमेसी. वेलर, वेलर मीन्स ब्रेवरी, डिप्लोमेसी मीन्स कूटनीति ऑफ चाणक्य. So with the bravery and valor of Chanakya, Chandragupta established his own power over whole of India. He ruled in north from Afghanistan, Peshawar, Khandar to Bengal in the east. And where did he rule? In north from Afghanistan, Peshawar, Khandar to Bengal in the east. He extended his power even in western India also. In West India also, Chandragupta has extended his power. It is stated in some of the sources that he had his rule even in Saurashtra also. And from certain sources, we can come to know that he has established his rule in Saurashtra also. He had appointed Pushpagupta, a Vaishya Amatya, as its governor. Then governor means Rajyapal. So Pushpagupta was appointed as a governor. Pushyagupta constructed Sudarshan Lake by constructing dam on the rivers flowing from Girnar mountain in Girinagar in Saurashtra. Then this Pushyagupta, who was the governor, he constructed dams on the rivers that were flowing from Girnar mountains in Saurashtra, and he constructed a lake named Sudarshan. Konkan, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and other regions of South India were also a part of the Mughal Empire. Now, page number 27. So, which were the other parts of Mughal Empire? Konkan, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and other regions of South India. In the northwest, the territories up to western Gandhar, that is Afghanistan, were also under the authority of Chandragupta. Thus, the sovereignty of Mauryan Empire was practiced all over India. So, in southern part also, India also, the Mughal Empire was there. In northwest territories up to western Gandhar were also under the authority of Chandragupta. So, like this, all over the India, there was the rule of Mauryan Empire. Now, turn your page number 28. Chandragupta spent the last time of his life with Jain Muni Bhadrabahu in Shravan Belgowda of Mysore, which is now Karnataka. So, the last time के जीवन के आखिरी दिन he spent his life with Jain Muni Bhadrabahu, and that is now in Karnataka. He died in 297 BC. उसकी मौत हो गई 297 BC. Description about Chandragupta's 24 years rule over state and his adoption of Jainism in the last years of his life is found in Jain Puranas. Then 24 years rule किया चंद्रगुप्त ने over the state, and regarding the description of this rule, and he adopted the Jain religion, Jain dharma उसने अपनाया था in the last years of his life, अंतिम दिनों में, that is found in Jain Puranas. All this information is found in Jain Puranas. The history before establishment of Mauryan dynasty in India is called prehistory. So before the Maurya dynasty was established, that period was called prehistory. The exact and supporting information of Maurya dynasty is available from various sources. So the exact means the सटीक and सहायक information माहिती हमको कहाँ से मिलती है मौर्य डायनेस्टी की? From various sources. The Mauryan Empire established by Chandragupta Maurya with the help of Vishnugupta, that is Chanakya, is said to be the first historical empire of India. So the Mauryan Empire, which was established by Chandragupta Maurya, उसने establish किया सा किसकी मदद से, किसकी सहायता से? विष्णुगुप्ता, जिसका दूसरा नाम है चाणक्य. That is the first historical empire, ऐतिहासिक साम्राज्य, historical empire, ऐतिहासिक साम्राज्य of India. Sources providing information about Maurya dynasty. Then the table is given below where we can get the information about the Maurya dynasty. Which were the works and who had written it? Arthashastra written by Acharya Vishnugupta, Chanakya Kautilya. Indica Megasthenes. Deepvansh and Mahavansh, Buddhist text Ceylon. Mudra Rakshaha, drama Vishakha Datta. In addition to this, historical information is also obtained from stone inscription, pillar inscription, cave inscription, stupas and viharas, etc. Then other historical information is also obtained. We can get from other sources also. And which sources are there? That is stone inscription, पत्थर पे लिखा हुआ, pillar inscription, खम्भों पे लिखा हुआ, cave inscription, stupas and viharas. Then Grand Trunk Road. It is the oldest and longest road in the Asian continent. Oldest यानी एकदम पुराना, longest यानी लंबा road in the Asian continent. This road was at first constructed at the time of Chandragupta Maurya. So this Grand Trunk Road was first built at the time of Chandragupta Maurya. It is used to connect Tamralipti with Takshashila and Takshashila with Central Asia. So this road, it connects, ये रास्ता किसको कनेक्ट करता है? तो ताम्रलिप्ति विथ तक्षशिला एंड तक्षशिला विथ सेंट्रल एशिया. एट दैट टाइम दिस रोड एक्सटेंडेड फ्रॉम द Ganges plain to Gandhar. Then during the time of Chandragupta Maurya, this road was extended. कहाँ तक उसको लंबा किया था? From the Ganges plain to Gandhar. The road was rebuilt during the reign of Sher Shah Suri. Then the same road was rebuilt, वापिस बंधा था, पुनर्निर्माण किया, वापिस बनाया during the rule of Sher Shah Suri. During British rule, Dalhousie rebuilt the road from Kolkata to Peshawar. Then came the British rule in our country, and during the British rule, Governor General Dalhousie was there, who rebuilt, उसने वापिस बनाया, पुनर्निर्माण किया the road from Kolkata to Peshawar. At present, this road is known as National Highway from Delhi to Kolkata, and now this National Highway is from Delhi to Kolkata. So students, the rest of the chapter we will continue in the next video.